Taking the fascia board off, welded the hangers up. I'm just about to weld the first beam in place. You see along there I've done those. The top beam I've put in place. Just got to put one more bolt through the other end there. I managed to weld them up. I did actually cut this one short. I didn't really want to put a join right in the middle of the beam here. I think it's better to just have one beam going straight the way across between the two posts. I'm no master welder like I mentioned in my previous videos, but it will do. So let's get this beam welded in. Then we can do the second one there, and that will determine where the final beam will go in. Okay, let's get cracking. You can see the ring beam there. I've got that in place. It actually drops down a bit. It's about 8 inches too short there, but I'm going to use clay bricks. I'm going to bring it up to level. Then we can get the rest of the beam in on the bottom there. And once the roof's on, we can start thinking about laying a concrete floor. Okay, well, I've got the steel roof beams done. 1, 2, 3, all welded up. Starting to lose a bit of light now, so I'm not sure if you can actually see this. It's starting to take shape now. I'll actually put this bling into the wall here, make it a bit more secure. So tomorrow I'm going to get on with putting the purlin cross members in, as you can see under here, and then we'll be ready for some roof sheeting. Got the purlins in today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. I've still got to finish the ends off up here. With any luck, if I can get the end of these purlins finished in the week, I can get the sheeting ordered up and we can get that on next Saturday and Sunday, and then we'll be sealed in. Here's my alarm clock. Pop, 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 pop. So I had a bit of problem with my welder. The actual end of it burnt out on me. It actually melted about 2 inches down the cable. Not sure why that is, unless it got frayed by movement and eventually gave out. So I'll remove that piece, cut a fresh piece out, and it carried on. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with how I got on this weekend. I've actually got a bit of a problem. Not personally. I've got a bird's nest up there under the roof. It's going to cause a bit of a problem when I go to put the sheet in, because it's got eggs in it. I moved it a couple of days ago and one of the eggs fell out, dropped down, smashed on the floor. So I know there's 2 or 3 eggs left in there. Yeah, I may just leave this sheet out for now, get all the rest of them done, wait till the eggs have hatched, the chicks have flown the nest. I'm a little bit of an animal lover, as you might know. As you can see now, I've welded them all in place. Not the prettiest of welding, but it'll do. You see the concrete blocks are holding the end of the roof down there. It needs to be screwed down onto the fascia board when I finally get it on. There's one on the corner there that needs to be redone. I might even put a new piece of sheet in there, because it's actually got a small hole up there somewhere. And the guys who've done my roof left a nice hole in my roof for me. Looks like they hit it with a welding rod. I managed to put a bit of epoxy resin from the inside, but it's not ideal. And we've got a leak the other side as well, since it's been raining, I've noticed. Yeah, it's a bloody warm day today, I'll tell you. Still got hour and a half of light left, but I've just had enough. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day now. I'm knackered, I'm hot, I'm tired, and got school tomorrow, so I'm going to go and take a shower and we'll get cracking again tomorrow. Well, I hope you enjoyed part 4 of this garage and workshop build. This is just a short one this time. Do give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Do subscribe, share with your friends, and get ready for part 5.